And something that's kind of become too easy to say or too common to say for Jeffery Herlings, he's injured. If you missed it or if you missed the news, in a crash in Sardinia, he fractured 4 of his ribs, which is a pretty big crash or pretty big injury for somebody, motocrossing. Ribs are very painful, especially when you're breathing a lot. And well, he has it. But even with that, even with that injury, he competed in the Grand Prix of Arco di Trento, the Dutch Masters in Markello, and the British Championship in, I'm assuming, Ling, Lyng, Lying, whatever. So, not holding himself back, and he takes the overall in round one of Ling. So, for a guy who's always injured, mostly the last few years it's been collarbones and ankles or feet injuries, but to fracture 4 ribs, which is for a lot of people something you're done. You fractured 4 ribs, you're doing nothing for a month. It's gonna hurt and you're fine. This guy fractures 4 ribs and then goes racing and wins. And you gotta say, he is incredible. I mean, probably one of the fastest people ever to ride a dirt bike. Uh, really wish we got him over here on American soil when, Tomac and Anderson, all those people were younger and faster and more in their prime, and that would have been incredible to see. I still would absolutely love to see him come over and race American motocross. I highly doubt we'd ever see him on Supercross, but that would be, you know, creme de la creme. The little cap on top of everything to see him race over here for a full season. Even if he's not at his absolute best, it would be super cool just for fan service. And I don't know. I think it'd be cool. But it's great to see the injured still winning, still super fast, and you gotta say one of the best people ever on a dirt bike. And I don't know, in the comments below, you guys tell me, are you a fan of him? Do you think he's overrated? Do you stay in Moto 2 for too long, or MX2, whatever you want to call it? I don't know. Personally, I'm a huge fan. I like to see him do well, but comments down below. Tell me what you think. Do you watch mxgp? Are you just an American supercross, motocross fan, whatever? But while you're down there, comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out a lot and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.